A couple of weeks ago, I tried out this DIY that I've been having in my head for months to do, and it worked. Basically, it took my Poundland candlestick holder and my little miniature lamp that I got for £1 from Asda and turned it into a longer lamp. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I love everything homeware, and I love homeware stuff that's on a budget, or you can DIY, make it look expensive, but really you got it for £1. So subscribe if you're not subscribed. So basically all I did was I took my candlestick. The candlestick, I have spray painted it white previously. So when you go into Poundland, it's the long one that's grey. Then I took some glue. It's the UHU, I believe it's called UHU. Again, you can get this in Poundland. Applied a good amount on top of the candlestick surface. Then I took my lamp and stuck it on top of the candlestick. I recommend leaving it a whole day to just glue and stick together. Then the following day, I just basically spray painted it with the multi-purpose spray that I found in Poundland. I believe this one's £2 or £2.50, which is so great, and I would seriously recommend it. It's really good, you guys. Usually if I would spray paint, I would use like the car spray paint you get in Poundland. Car spray paint, after a while you do need to respray the item. It cracks, you guys. I used the car spray paint on this. You see how it, I don't know if you can see, but like you see how it's coming off. Yeah, that's the car spray paint. It does that. So this is gonna need to be like spray paint. On top of that, I still got a bit of spray paint left. So yeah, like I've got spray paint left, and it was £2 or £2.50. Like, oh my goodness, seriously, I recommend getting it. After I spray painted it and let it dry, I put the lampshade back on and my bulb, and then yeah, seriously, I know, right? It's long. If you've been following me for a long time, this lamp, you guys, you can see, right? So the lamp bit is this bit, right? It just stops like that. You can see that was a miniature lamp, and you can get these miniature lamps in B&M. I literally got this for £1. I'm not lying to you, from Asda George many years ago. I was scrolling down, I was like, oh my goodness, £1. I was like, is this a joke? Literally £1, and this lamp was delivered to me. I think the candlestick holder was like £2 or £3 in Poundland. I'm super happy with it. I'm actually thinking of like changing up the shield to like a grey one. So I've got to do like a little trip to B&M, because I'm thinking, because it's longer, I feel like this doesn't suit it anymore. I don't know. I mean, it does look okay, but I feel like I want to get a grey one, because I feel like if I get a grey one, it will just elevate this even more. I'll keep you updated. I might take you down to B&M with me. I absolutely love it. Give me a thumbs up if you think this is a good DIY. Seriously, guys, hit that like button if you really liked it. As I said before, I love everything homeware, and I love homeware stuff that's on a budget, or you can DIY and make it look expensive, but really you got it for £1. So subscribe if you're not subscribed.